Hello my friends, Stark here. Today is the 22nd of September 2015. I haven't posted many videos recently because my camera is overexposing in daylight. Today, however, we're down in the lower workshop where this rickety old overhead door is due for replacement tomorrow. Let's take it out. Beautiful job. Well done, Jason.
Thank you.
See what I mean by the overexposure? Well, alright. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you next time. Oh, the forklift is a 1972 Clark IT50 powered by a Continental 4-cylinder flathead engine converted for propane.